Hi guys, if you are looking for a truly effective way to lose weight and most importantly keep it off without taking any diet pills and without starving yourself but doing it in a healthy way, then you should really watch this video. It truly is possible to lose weight and stay in shape in a healthy way, and I was able to do it thanks to the Fat Loss Factor. I had some extra weight around my arms, on my waist and on my legs, which I just could not get rid of. I used to wear long sleeve tops and trousers all the time because I felt really uncomfortable, and I tried many diets, but any weight loss would only be temporary and I would just gain it back. When I came across the Fat Loss Factor, I immediately knew this time it would be different. This is because it presents a weight loss strategy. This means it tells you how to change your lifestyle in order to lose your extra weight. A change of lifestyle is what is really effective for permanent weight loss. So of course I decided to try it, and I was not disappointed. I lost all the extra weight I had, and in around 2 months I was in the best shape of my life. It taught me how to eat the things that I like without getting fat. And for example, it gave me easy to integrate tips that taught me how to make small, gradual changes in my lifestyle to stay thin and healthy. I look so much better now, and I really do feel healthier than I did before. I really suggest you try the Fat Loss Factor. It's not too restrictive and it's easy to adapt to the changes suggested in this manual, and I can assure you it's totally worth it. You'll not only look your very best, but you'll also feel a lot healthier. You'll be healthier than ever before. Give the Fat Loss Factor a try.